Hi. So let's move further with some next question we can solve here. That if a car is traveling, that is the fourth question. A car travels 1 mile in 1 minute 15 seconds. Okay, seconds. So how much distance? How much distance cover in? How much distance cover in 1 hour? As per very, but here what we conversion factor we have been the conversion that 1 mile correspond 1 mile correspond 1 minute seconds. What is this 1 minute 15 seconds? Either we have to convert this into minute or into second because we can't operate having both the units. So what we'll do is if you will convert this into minute, so it will be into points. Okay, so I can do is what I can do is I can convert this 1 minute into seconds. Okay, so we know that 1 minute corresponds how many seconds? 60 seconds. So can I write 60 seconds plus 50? That will be 75 seconds. I hope you are getting my, because if you are keeping it minute and seconds both, you won't be able to operate or you won't be able to solve further. So we have to either convert it to minutes or either convert it to seconds. Fine. So 1 mile is has been traveled in 5 seconds. Now we can go further. It is said that 1 hour, how much distance covered? Here our answer will be miles. So what we can do here is now see we have a conversion factor here that is 1 mile upon by second. But I don't how I will solve hour and second. What I can write is we know that 1 hour corresponds to 60 minutes, which further corresponds to 60. See, 1 minute corresponds to 60 seconds. 60 minutes will correspond to 3600 seconds. I hope you're getting what I'm trying to tell you. So here I can use the conversion factor between hour and seconds. Okay, so hour is here numerator, so it will be here denominator. 1 hour. I can write it here. Now I can further solve of this hour. Also getting can here remain we have been miles. Now we can do the further calculation. What will be the further calculation? We just solve 360 degree divided by 70. 3600 divided by 75. What will be the answer? What we can do here is we can start solving it. Right? 5 15 is a 75 and it will be 5 720 the 5 720. Further I can write 5 3 is a 15. This will be 5 5 1 4. If you multiply 144 by 5, you will get 720. Okay. Further, 3 ones are 3. Answer travel 48 miles in 1 hour. Next question. Next question. Read the question. I think this A travels. A car is there. This is a car A travels 30 mile 30 mile at a speed of 3 miles per hour. And secondly, I can write travels same distance, that is 30-mile distance, at 40 miles hour. Okay. How many more minutes will it take? It is asking that how many. It is very simple that B is traveling at a lesser speed than A, so it will be reaching the destination late, right? If they both are starting together. Okay. And they both have to cover the same distance. And if B is traveling at a slower speed than A, so definitely B is going to take more time. Fine. So it is asking in the question how many more takes. What we can first calculate that how many time both are requiring. So for A, so I can write TA, that is time required by A. What is the speed equals to that speed distance upon time. So time equals to distance upon speed. Distance upon speed will be 30 miles 30 miles, and speed now see distance, it is distance upon miles per 1 hour, like this 50 mile per hour per 1 hour. Here it is 1 upon s, right? Speed is in denominator, so I have to reverse this and write. I will write 1 hour on 3 miles. Also, here we the final answer in minutes. Okay. Because we have to will calculate TA, that is time required by A, then we'll calculate time required by B, then we'll have the difference of both the answers, and that will be because it is how many more minutes, not how many minutes. So here our final answer we need in minutes. Fine. Also know that 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. I can write this conversion factor here without writing it anywhere else. But how I got this? You can check the last lecture or last video. You can see that I can write this type of thing. Now miles and miles will get cancelled. R and R will get cancelled. If I go on solving this zero and this zero get cancelled. 5 ones and it's 5 12 takes 48 minutes. Sorry, 3 12 will be 36. A will require 36 minutes to reach or to travel 30 miles. Now we'll calculate T, time required by B. Solution will be same type of thing. Equals to the distance is same, that is 30 miles, into what is the speed of, it is 40 miles per hour. But here we have to write the time equals to distance upon speed. Okay, S is speed, A is distance. Distance travel is 30 miles, is distance hour, into now conversion rate, that is 60 minute. This hour and hour will get cancelled, miles and miles getting cancelled, the zero will get cancelled, ones it's 4, Yeah, yeah. This will be 3 into 50 hour. We are only remaining with minute here. Also, this in this case also we are only remaining with minute. So I can write the answer as 3 5 50 the 45. Now it is taking it how much more minutes does B required than A. So what I can write? I can write TB minus A equals to more minute more minute taken by B. So TA minus sorry TB minus that will be 9. So B car B require 9 more minutes to travel 30 miles at a speed of 40 miles per hour than car. So I think this is it, and in the next video I will share you some questions. Practice those. Let me know out.